The search GUI is a very useful tool. For example, if I search up a stick, it will not only tell me how to craft the stick, but if I press enter after typing and press A on the stick, it will actually pin the crafting recipe on the left. This is useful when you need to go back and use it again and again later on in the game. Additionally, if you go into a crafting table, you can also click on this and it will actually make the item you want by just clicking this little plus. As you can see, it also shows you different ways to make sticks. So whilst you have the vanilla way of just using planks, we can actually use logs for 4 times the amount of sticks. If I do this, I can actually craft it instantly in my little crafting table because I have the resources. Another thing you can do is actually go on the GUI config. Now, there is cheat mode, which I would not recommend if you're playing the game properly, but you can actually change the UI settings on here. Additionally, you can actually do the search options, and these are all little keybinds you can use when searching up items. For example, if you put a little up arrow, you can actually search for the color of an item. This is handy for when you're building. So if I put red, I can now see every block that is considered red in this game. If you were actually trying to learn how to use some of the mod packs, then you can actually do @modname. This will really help you out when learning. For example, if I do @tinkers, I can now see every item that's part of Tinker's construct. This is helpful when I want to learn how to make the Tinker weapons and tools by just looking at what resources I can use. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.